goes around just like that.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate it. This place is beautiful. This place is beautiful. We really enjoyed it.
Oh, well,
you guys keep it up
thank
really well.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Man,
Thank you.
we'll see you.
See ya.
So Kansas City had a lot of traffic, so I'm kind of glad we stopped here because we were stuck in probably about an hour of traffic crossing over from Kansas to Kansas City, Missouri, and there was a little bit of traffic, we're not gonna lie. We went through it around 3 or 4 and yeah.
Chief's right there behind it.
Decorated and it's cool. Yo, there's a pool here too. Tomorrow. There's a pool. There's a pool here. And what kind of side are we going to? The fence one? The fence?
No, those were 100.
Are we going to that one?
No.
What the swing? I love swings.
That's nice.
We didn't get that either.
I love
We got between these two.
why?
That's a lot of space though, huh?
We didn't even get a table.
Hold this.
Okay.
Hold this.
This is what is spending a lot of money if you just get the
Want me to help you?
Yeah. Not too bad. How are you?
Well,
Staying busy?
yeah.
Man, it's beautiful over here.
Yeah,
You wouldn't even think it's in October. No?
I know. Except for all the leaves everywhere.
Yeah, that's true.
So.
Somebody's got to pick those up.
Are you gonna need help getting in?
She's got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you guys got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.
All right. And you're Nick? I'm
Yeah.
Houston. Houston.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. We'll get her in here.
Any questions?
Nothing yet.
All right.
Thank you.
Just watch the truck here. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, exactly what I was thinking.
We're right next to the drum pad.
Perfect. Now turn it. The only thing you have is the fire. You gotta crank it more.
I'm trying. Can you?
You're okay.
You have mini golf.
I don't want to play mini golf, Carter.
That's perfect.
Give me.
So you have that silver truck on the driver's side.
The jumping
Silver truck on the driver's side.
right there. That is right by.
Are you watching? Are you watching? Slow, 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 slow. Slow, baby. Perfect. Straight back. Turn it, no, now turn it a little bit more to your side.
Let me get around this thing.
You're perfect. You've got it. Watch the front end. Straight back. Straight back, straight back, straight back. Straight back, straight back. We might be able to fit the truck in here anyway. Straight back, straight back. Straight back. You have more room. Are you in or no? Keep going. Keep going.
That's in.
Your truck's in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good. We have another 2 feet back here.
Oh, let me.
Unless you want to straighten out a little bit. Good. There's a bush right here. You don't want to run over that bush.
To stay connected, right? We don't want to go nowhere. Good job.
It's perfect.
You ready?
Okay, let's see. Still good, thank God. So there was a pretty crazy thunderstorm yesterday, and we were like, "Oh my gosh, this is just our luck." But the
sirens came on.
I think it's the tornado alert, and there was a voice on it saying 1-inch hail, severe thunderstorms. I mean, Houston are like, "This is our freaking luck. Watch the 1-inch hail be in our area." But it was actually really peaceful. It rained for like an hour, and it wasn't too bad. Huh?
No, it wasn't. We really enjoyed it, and yeah, this was just a great stay. So if you guys are in this area, make sure you come check them out. We got Missouri on just like that. I look like a hot mess. Been driving all night.
You're good on my end. There's cabins.
Hey guys, we just spent one night in St. Louis, Missouri, and
Honestly,
it was a KOA.
I feel like we would have spent way more time there. It was peaceful, quiet. It just sucked because we showed up with like the fridge problems, so we didn't have a lot of time to enjoy it and get footage of it. But we would really go back.
I would 100% go back to that KOA. It was clean. Everybody had like ornaments out for Halloween.
Yeah, they were friendly. And everything, so it was, I think, yeah, we would go back in the future. They were inexpensive. Like, their monthly rates are worth it. I think it's pretty inexpensive. Yeah. Missouri's beautiful too. And Missouri during the fall is beautiful,
so come along with us. Until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends. Thanks for watching. If you don't know, I'm Houston with Rolling with Sanchezs. Until then, we'll see you guys next time.